subtraction of rational numbers. Let us now see how to solve sums on subtraction of rational numbers. First question, subtract minus 8 by 11 from 4 by 11. That is 4 by 11 minus of minus 8 by 11. This expression is equal to 4 by 11 minus of minus is plus 8 by 11. This is equal to, since the denominators are same, therefore the LCM will be 11. So we will take the common denominator as 11 and we will add the numerators. This is equal to 4 plus 8 is 12 by 11. This expression is equal to 1 by 11 in mixed form. Therefore, if we subtract minus 8 by 11 from 4 by 11, we get 1 by 11. Next question, minus 5 by 8 from minus 13 by 16. That is, we can write this question as minus 13 by 16 minus of minus 5 by 8. This expression is equal to minus 13 by 16 minus of minus is plus 5 by 8. Since the denominators are not same, we will find the LCM of the denominators. So let's find the LCM of 16 and 8. Both 16 and 8 are divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2. 2 times 8 gives 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Again 4 and 2 is divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. And now 2 times 1 is 2. We write 1 as it is. Therefore, LCM is equal to multiplying these factors 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So LCM is 16. So this expression is equal to, in the first rational number we already have 16. We will just find a suitable number with which we can multiply 8 to get 16. And we know that 8 times 2 gives 16. The same 2 we will multiply even with the numerator. So we get minus 13 by 16 plus 5 times 2 is 10 by 8 times 2 is 16. Now we have got the same denominators. This is equal to, we will take 16 as the common denominator and add the numerators. Minus 13 plus 10. This expression is equal to, in the numerator minus 13 plus 10 is equal to minus 3 by 16 in the denominator. Therefore, minus 3 by 16 is the answer. Now let's look at the next question. Subtract minus 9 by 22 from 5 by 33. That is 5 by 33 minus of minus 9 by 22. This expression is equal to 5 by 33 Minus of minus is plus 9 by 22. Since the denominators are not the same, we will find the LCM of the denominators. So let's find the LCM of 33 and 22. First we will divide by 2. 33 is not divisible by 2, so we'll write as it is. 2 times 11 is 22. Next, 33 and 11 is not divisible by 2, so the next prime number that we are going to take is 3. So 3 times 11 is 33, and since 11 is not divisible by 3, we will write as it is. Next we will divide by 11. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 1 is 11. Therefore, LCM is equal to, multiplying these factors, 2 times 3 times 11, which is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 11 is 66. Therefore, LCM is 66. Now we will multiply the denominator by a suitable number so that the product obtained is equal to the LCM, that is 66. So 33 times 2 is 66. Same 2 we will multiply even with the numerator. Now 22 times 3 is 66. We will multiply even with the numerator. So 5 times 2 is 10 by 66 plus 9 times 3 is 27 by 66. Now we have got the denominator same. This expression is equal to, we will take 66 as the common denominator and add the numerators. This expression is equal to 10 plus 27 is equal to 37 by 66. Since we don't have any common factors to cancel and 37 by 66 is in proper form, so we stop here. Therefore, 37 by 66 is the answer. Next question, evaluate. 4 by 7 minus of minus 8 by 9 minus of minus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. So let's write the given expression. 4 by 7 minus of minus 8 by 9 minus of minus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. This expression is equal to 4 by 7 minus of minus is plus 8 by 9 minus of minus is plus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. In the next step, we will group the rational numbers having the same denominators. So we can group 4 by 7 and 13 by 7. 4 by 7 plus 13 by 7 plus next we will group 8 by 9 and 17 by 9. 8 by 9 plus 17 by 9. Let's now simplify inside the brackets. Now this expression is equal to, denominator is same inside both the brackets. Now this is equal to, denominator is 7, which is a common denominator. We'll add the numerators. 4 plus 13 is 17 plus in the second bracket Now here also we have the same denominators. So we will take 9 as the common denominator and we will add the numerators. 8 plus 17 is 25. Next we will find the LCM of 7 and 9. Now we know that LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. So 7 times 9 is 63. The same 9 we will multiply even with the numerator. And then 9 times 7 is 63. The same 7 we will multiply even with the numerator. So now this expression is equal to 17 times 9 is 153 by 63 plus 25 times 7 is 175 by 9 times 7 is 63. This expression is equal to 63 is the common denominator. We will add the numerators 153 plus 175. Adding the numerators we get 328 by denominator is 63. This expression is equal to 513 by 63. This is the answer. Next question. The sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other. Let us first understand this question. If two rational numbers are added, the sum is equal to 9 by 20. If one of the rational number is 2 by 5, we need to find the other rational number. Let us write what is given first. The sum of two rational numbers is equal to 9 by 20. And one of the numbers is equal to 2 by 5. We need to find the other rational number. To find the other rational number, we need to subtract 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. Since the denominators are not the same, we will find the LCM of 20 and 5. First we will divide by 2. 2 times 10 gives 20. 5 is not divisible, so we will write as it is. 2 times 5 is 10. We will write 5 as it is. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So LCM will be equal to multiplying these factors 2 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. This expression is equal to, in the first expression we already have 20 in the denominator, so in the second rational number we will multiply 5 with 4 to get in the denominator 20. The same 4 we will multiply even with the numerator. So we get 9 by 20 minus 2 times 4 is 8 by 5 times 4 is 20. Now we have got the same denominators. This expression is equal to, so denominator is 20. We will subtract the numerators. 9 minus 8 is 1. Therefore, the other rational number is 1 by 20. Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.